is the gate name? Okay. So first I will tell about the first gate. If you find out the answer, just raise your hand in any of the team members. Okay. So there is one input, one output. The input is the complement of the output. What is the gate? Yes. Can you draw the gates? Not gate. The input is the complement of the output. Not gate and only one input, only out or one output. So that is for this NAT gate. Just give a quick clap for this team. Next one. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. And these two inputs, one outputs. So, maximum number of gates I will say one more clue. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If both the inputs are different, the output is 0. See this batch? AND gate. So yes, right, AND gate. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If both the inputs are different, the output is also 0. So that is what the AND gate. So let us draw the AND gate, the board, Darshini. One, silence please. Ishan, start the next game. Third game. Both the input are 0, the output is 1. Okay, that is one more clue because both games contain the same values. Both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If both the inputs are different, the output is 0. Yes, what is it? Yes, NOR gate. NOR gate. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If there is a different number of inputs, the output is 0. That is what the NOR gate. NOR gate. So next case is what? Both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If the input is different, the output is 0. If both the inputs are same, I will repeat the question. If both the inputs are same, the output is 1. If the inputs are different, the output is 0. The output is 0. External gate. Draw the gate. External. External. Yes, that is what? External gate. Okay? External. So next to do is what? The output contains only 1 0. Yeah. The output contains only 1 0. Provided the case, if both the inputs are 0. If both the inputs are 0. Or gate, Arun. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. For all other gates, the output is 1. OR gate, this we all know that OR gate.